Picture this. You're on a week-long business trip, but due to a series of unforeseen circumstances, you're told you'll have to stay for a few more months. Now, imagine that business trip is aboard the International Space Station. Astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore are living that reality. Initially scheduled for a week-long stay, they're now guests of the cosmos until early 2025, thanks to some issues with their Boeing Starliner capsule. Sounds like quite the change of plans, doesn't it? So how did we get here? Let's rewind back to the launch. It all started in June, when astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore blasted off into space, destined for the International Space Station. Their mission at the outset was planned to be a brief 8-day sojourn, but as it turns out, space had other plans. Their ride, the Boeing Starliner, started to show signs of propulsion system issues. A week in space quickly became an indefinite stay. NASA and Boeing engineers worked tirelessly trying to troubleshoot the problems from millions of miles away. The uncertainty around the spacecraft's ability to safely return our intrepid explorers back to Earth began to grow. Meanwhile, the mission continued. Suni and Butch joined the SpaceX's Crew 9 mission, conducting spacewalks, maintaining the station, and carrying out experiments. Their 8-day mission was now looking more like a year-long expedition, and that, space enthusiasts, is how a week in space turned into a year-long adventure. So, what does one do when stuck in space until 2025? Well, for astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore, it's business as usual, with a few added perks. Their unexpected extended stay on the International Space Station will see them joining SpaceX's Crew 9 mission. They'll be conducting spacewalks, maintaining the station, and carrying out experiments that could lead to groundbreaking discoveries. Think of it as a cosmic workplace, where one's daily routine involves floating in microgravity, gazing at the Earth from a vantage point few humans have ever experienced. But it's not all work and no play. There's also ample opportunity for fun in this zero-gravity playground. Of course, life in space isn't without its challenges. The astronauts follow a structured routine to keep things running smoothly. This includes everything from maintaining their physical health through exercise to ensuring the station systems are operating efficiently. And let's not forget about food. No need to worry about them going hungry, though. They have ample food supplies that cater to their nutritional needs, and occasionally, they might even get to indulge in a few space treats. So there you have it. While it may not be the trip they signed up for, Williams and Wilmore are set to make the most of their extended space vacation. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on their cosmic adventure. From world affairs to breaking news, your daily dose of news has you covered. Subscribe for a well-rounded news experience.